ABC Creative Studio. Materials. Get an empty plastic bottle and unwrap it using the scissors. Prepare a glitter board in a size of 8 centimeters by 3 centimeters, but it depends on how size is your empty bottle. Trace a hole like this to insert the money or the coin. You can use cutter or a small scissors to cut. Wrap your glitter board around the bottle. You can use a double-sided tape to make it clean. Follow the hole pattern to cut the bottle. You can wrap the bottle cap like this. Prepare a foam sheet in a size of 1 centimeter by 3 centimeters for the legs. Roll like this and paste it with a glue stick. Paste it one by one with a glue stick. You can trace like this for the ears to look like a pig, and cut. Cut a round black for the nose. You can make an eye made of a black paper, or you can use a ready-made material. You can add on a ribbon to enhance your artwork. Put a beads on the top of it. Take a look, our DIY piggy bank made of a plastic bottle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.